Hi, I'm Paige Killian, and I'm passionate about helping busy moms of littles get organized in 3 simple steps. So here's today's organization motivation.
Hey there, I am heading over to one of my favorite places ever, the Container Store, to show you some different options that they have available for storing your holiday decor when the season is done. So I love some of the options they have for your Christmas trees, also for your ornaments, wreaths, all kinds of things like that. So in addition to that, I want to remind you that shopping for your holiday decor containers before the holidays come. A lot of times you'll see as soon as they bring out their line, they're going to give you a nice sale on that. And you can always do it after the fact as well. Don't forget those Black Friday deals too that usually pop up. So do consider getting the best deals on those are when you shop before and after, not right in the middle of the season. On top of that, I want to remind you that when they roll out the holiday decor containers, many times they are multicolored, red and green, perhaps blue. So do consider that you might actually find some of your holiday decor you would prefer to keep in bins that do not have bright red and green or other colors. Maybe you want them to fit in seamlessly with some of your other storage that you've got. So do consider looking outside, off times of year, and you can actually find plenty of holiday decor storage items as well that aren't necessarily going to be brightly colored. So if you want some clear bins or some white ones or some black ones, those will still work as well. But I do want to show you what some of those options are that you could be getting right around the holidays from the Container Store. So come with me, let's check out what they've got.
First, we're going to start with all of the red containers. That'll help you remember that it's holiday when you're looking through your storage. So here are some ornament tray dividers. These are the red fabric ones. You can put things like keepsakes in these. You can put things like large ornaments or any other holiday decor you might have, and then certainly all of your smaller ornaments. So now that you've organized your ornaments in those trays, these are actually the storage cases that you can place them in. Again, these are the red fabric ones, all different sizes. You can do ornaments in them, or you can certainly put any other holiday decor you may have. I love that they come with the dividers to make it super easy and convenient for housing all your items. These weather-tight red topped bins are perfect for all of your holiday decor, especially for your string lights because they come with this convenient insert to wrap them around so they don't get tangled. Now, another option for your string lights are these storage spools, and these are also made with the red fabric. These containers are great for your garland and your wreaths. The convenience of the carrying handle makes them easy to mount, or you can stack them, or they can stand upright. These long, narrow bins are perfect for a pencil tree or garland or any holiday decor, and the best part is they come with wheels. That is going to be super convenient when moving, and these are stackable too. Here's a fabric tree bag option if you want to house your 9-foot to 12-foot tree. Also, they have an option for storing it upright throughout the year if you want to tuck it away in a back corner. And then finally, they have a duffel bag looking one that has handles for convenience and also those wheels for easy moving. Next up is wrapping paper storage. These are the red fabric options. They're long enough for long rolls or shorter ones with some wrapping accessories. And here is an option that is not bright red. This is the plastic version and allows for 2 different lengths of rolls, not to mention amounts. So we've got some that hold 25, that are the 30 inches, and we have other ones that are a little bit on the smaller side, and 2 different top size options to accommodate however long your wrapping paper rolls are. I'll show you some of the options they have at the Container Store that aren't bright red in case you want these things to fit in with your everyday storage decor. This tree box holds 7-foot trees and also smaller ones plus extra decor, and they have wheels as well. Now, the black tote boxes and the white tote boxes are great options if you don't want those bright red ones, again, to fit in with your everyday storage. But these are fantastic because they have the additional handle, and a lot of them come with wheels as well. Several of these are weather tight, so they are great to be outside, and you don't have to worry about them getting damaged with the ever-changing weather or any creepy crawlies that might be tempted to get in. So last up is actually the black plastic bins that I keep my 7-foot pencil tree in. Would you believe all 3 pieces of the pencil tree plus some garland for my mantle fits in one of these black bins? Deceptively spacious with that top that raises up a bit. It's also got the handle and the wheels. Now, if you're thinking, Paige, where will I keep all of this? I wanted to show you one last thing. There is actually a Titan garage storage bin. They have it in 2 different sizes. If you need to fit in some of your holiday decor, you can put bins in here, or you can even have it freestanding. And this is a great option if you don't have a lot of space.
Hey there, thanks for joining me and heading over to the Container Store so we can figure out some of the options that would be perfect for organizing your holiday decor. Now, if there was anything that you still wanted to check out that's holiday related, like finding the perfect personalized gift, giving gifts of experiences that won't lead to clutter, or perhaps actually organizing all of your holiday decor, you can check out some of my other videos from last year over on YouTube. And don't forget, if you're still trying to figure out what in the world can I possibly get this person that I totally love, don't forget the option of organization. So if you are local to me, I will absolutely love to come and help you and your loved ones get organized in person, or never underestimate the value of a virtual organizing session. You would be shocked at how much we can actually get accomplished over a Zoom. So check those options out over on my website at everythingwithstyle.com. Reach out to me. I would love to help you get organized after the holiday season, so we will be heading into the new year with style. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you next month for some more ways that we can get organized in the new year.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. For more resources to organize and style your busy life in 3 simple steps, head over to everythingwithstyle.com and connect with me on Instagram at everythingwithstylemom. Don't forget to check out the Mom's Organization Motivation podcast over on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, any of your favorite platforms. And if you loved this video, it would make me so happy if you would subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing.